In this video, I show you how to fix Google not working on Android or Google search not working problem on Android. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google, tap on Google, update your Google app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps and go to see all apps. Scroll down, find out Google app. Tap on Google, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage and tap on delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Google app. Now I hope that this method fix Google not working on Android or Google search not working problem.